YouTube. All right, y'all, man. We back. All right, bro. This is why you can't be the camera.
I mean,
Hey, you watched it?
grown man.
Hold on, chat.
They got a wedgie.
Yeah, we got the car model. If y'all watched dog video, I couldn't finish it because I put 91 in the car and it was gonna detonate. So, anyways, man, it is dark outside. We own Negro time, so I'm gonna slide. I got my boy Pablo with me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know you got the wide body, man. So stay tuned, man. All summer, all 2026, we outside. Me, dog, and Pablo. Look who's behind the camera. Hi, how are you? Shout out to my boy dog, got it out, man. But let's try to kill some tires while we still got some daylight, cuz. I know, man. Y'all can go get that drift mode.
Please don't crash. There's no light out here, bro. You literally slide.
Right, chill out. Don't even speak that into existence. I just
if you crash, your ass, because I don't crash. For real?
Everybody can't go where you might lose some friends. Broke my heart, but I still fuck with my script beats. Broke my heart and crashed into they fuck with my shit. We don't allow no grace to say that shit, you might as well do it then. Only thing that's being dropped.
Bro, I look like you was chasing his ass. Oh God, bro, this nigga said, he ain't know where the fuck.
All he had to do, y'all, is run towards me.
That nigga stopped.
Shit, man. How you feel about that? How was that slide?
It's pretty ass. I think you can go harder.
Stop.
He wants the car to detonate. Can they see the arch? Yeah, y'all.
Kinda. I gotta.
We in Gotham City, y'all.
Literally, though.
Y'all should have heard it last night on New Year's, y'all. All you heard was switches.
How
Your gun sound? How your gun sound, bird?
That's it. Damn, that bitch ain't shoot.
That bitch jam.
That bitch is jam.
That's all little circles. You know what I'm saying? Just
Okay, some little shit. I'll fuck with it. Round 2, man. How you feeling? Hey,
bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I can't wait to go live with you, bro. Y'all can't mess with me, bro.
That bitch sound crazy.
And it's just the beginning, y'all. We gonna go. I mean, this year.
I'm
go ahead.
bleep that out, bro. They don't need to know what the f go on, cuz. You going V6, twin turbo.
Exactly. New Charger.
New Challenger. Watch it though. Oh, my shit is crazy though. That's what we on. That's what we on. Damn, bro.
You two niggas
bro, you niggas suck, man. Shut the fuck up, bro. Both of you niggas
what
suck, my nigga. Don't ever disrespect me like that again, bitch.
Y'all.
What the fuck, nigga?
Y'all see the tire smoking.
Nigga.
This dog ain't barking about nothing. About nothing. Look at this. That boy got stickers all over him. You don't even know how to go around the pole, so you make sure you go in the middle.
Fuck out. You really disrespecting me, bro. Stop, bro. Stop the fuck back.
You can't go around the pole. That's unfortunate.
Put your car back, bro.
Okay, I got you. Just go in front of it. I'm gonna move it back. Post it on my story.
I'm up 100,000, I ain't got no problem. Man, the crazy part about it, I almost went to college. 80 for the whip, so each wheel cost like 20,000. Extended clip, tap the nigga head like I just blessed the bar.
Dress casual until I knocked off half his collar. Had 100, only gave me 50, that's half a dollar. 308 cents, I got a pistol like Antoine. After I got my...
Hey, he was getting wild. I ain't gonna lie. He was getting wild. I got scared. I got scared, but you had that more. I ain't gonna,
You was trying to go around the other way, cuz.
you got hella wide, though. I ain't gonna lie. I got scared. You got hella wide.
Think I see this road?
That was too wide, low
Go
key.
out again.
No, I'm scared.
That's half a shower.
Cutting up in the charger, walk cup look like chowder. Up not a lot up in the kitchen, using up my flour. Every Glock got a flash on in case they cut my power. Catch a nigga on this break time and cutting off his hours.
I'm rich as fuck if I do a feet a day. Thinking with his dick, bitch, set him up, pull him see the place. Scope on his top, hit his ass from 50 feet away. Gave him all dome shots at his stool, they can see his face.
Chop get to singing, Aretha Frank. I got a stash house, little nigga. I don't need a bag. Little nigga on his birthday, that shit a piece of cake. Pack a C4 in the drawer box.
My God. Oh my God.
He might just...
Ah! Bro, you're getting hella wide.
That's, nigga, I don't give a fuck. Look at
Like you're hitting like dirt and all types of stuff.
wheel.
See,
We got that fucking wheel. We got that fucking wheel.
Hold on, chat. I gotta grab that. I gotta grab that, chat. Hey, what are y'all? What are y'all? Why he? Hey, y'all comment below who y'all think
You
went
gotta
better.
go now.
Y'all let me know who went better.
You gotta go now, bro.
Alright.
You gotta go now.
No drift mode. That's unfortunate. Get your drift mode today, man. Y'all see that boy got the green headlights on some underground type timing. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to that boy JJ Peanut Butter, man. Thomas gotta let that cat breathe.
You gotta let that cat breathe there. You know what I'm saying? Hey.
That's like a baby dog. Not even a big dog. Like, I got a cane corso. You got like a German Shepherd. Oh my God! Oh shit! Hey, why you trying to be nonchalant with it? Why you trying to be nonchalant with it? Hey, God. He almost went figure eight on you.
Bullshit.
He almost went figure eight on you. Hey, that was nice. I'm gonna shake your hand on that one. I'm gonna shake your hand on that one. Hey, man, that wide body different, cuz. Hey, that wide body is different.
Pull a mad blast, scratching off the lot just because. Hold on, babe, I'll call you back, I'm in the stew with cuz. Just trying to fuck, but no, I can't, I know I'm in a rush. And I ain't even trying to fuck if you can't keep it on the hush. Me and D-Lo in a session, fill a party up with sluts. I ain't never met the bitch.
Welcome back to another video, welcome back to another banger, man. I'm finna try to do a little 1-2. Yeah, you turn your car. Finna try to do a little drift mode, you know what I'm saying? It's a random day right now. Kind of scared, hopefully nobody calls the police on us. But man, I've been trying to do this video for a minute, y'all, so my traction control won't come off, but I think it is off, so we're gonna try to slide, y'all. My boy Dog just slid, y'all seen. He's not that good at sliding.
Man, I feel good.
He almost drove over there into the ditch.
I don't care.
And you was getting hella wide. I thought you was gonna hit one of them. Bro, you can't be that wide.
I did it on purpose.
Oh yeah, he's trash. But yeah, I'm finna try, man. He told me he did it on purpose. He threw this up, y'all. Bowling team, get on him. But yeah, man, I'm finna try to slide, man. Finna try to slide.
fucking nice, man. It was fucking rad. Fuck. Yeah, what they on? You ready to go? They literally sitting at the entrance. Like, what the bro, let me go.
And I need gas. Come on.
You want to go to Clubhouse? Just.
Or we can go to the east side spot.